Project we're at here, it's a 46 HCB, brand new boat.
Immaculate, awesome vessel. This customer just picked the boat up. He just had hip surgery. He didn't want to slip in the boat and he wanted something comfortable.
It's an EVA non-skid, going to be UV protected as well. It's very durable, but at the same time it's comfortable. A lot of other companies, you're using a PE foam. It's like you're walking on marshmallows, but at the same time it's extremely durable.
It was a little uncomfortable on my feet, and I knew I wanted to do something on the floor. We had a long phone call. He kind of taught me about his company and how they got started, the process that they're going to use for installation. And then he said he was going to get the boat done in less than 2 weeks, and I was like, there's no way that's going to happen. And it happened.
The idea is to make it look like just one piece. It's try to make it as perfect as possible.
Every customer is just, wow. Once they just see the precision and the radiuses and the gaps, I mean, it is just on point.
I really like the classic Teak look. Before there was just a regular factory non-skid and a little rough on your feet. Wow, this is super comfortable on the feet. Yeah, it looks fantastic. The goal was comfort. The installation turned out great. Lines all matched up, super comfortable on the feet, and I'm really happy with it.
He looks happy, he just came to take a look while we're working, and he's happy with that.
As much as it's going to be safe, it looks killer when this customer pulls up to a restaurant or a dock, and they're going to be wowed by the type of boat he has, but as well as looking in the boat and seeing the flooring, they're going to realize it's top notch.